Welcome back, everybody. Thank you guys for tuning in. I hope you're having good luck with your gardening and all of your projects. Without further ado, let's get to today's project. Part 3 of the homemade forklift implement for our tractor. It is a quick detach and it is completed. All done. Oh! We got both forks done, welded, gusseted, reinforced. Got about 1.5 inches of weld, probably about 5 pounds of flux core welding wire. I think there was 13 passes to get this filled in. Same down here. It's pretty heavy welding. And we'll go we'll try it on the tractor, show you guys how it works. Alright. Gotta wait a minute to warm up the glow plugs. It's sticking a little bit. Need some grease. Bouncy, bouncy, bouncy. And there we have it. Quick detached forks, easy to install, just like the bucket. There we go. Made out of old Caterpillar blades from an earth mover, I believe. So that's what this was, all like an 8-foot long blade. And this stuff is super duper hardened steel, very difficult to cut. It took me about 20 minutes on a 16-inch grinding disc to cut these pieces out. So I tried the plasma cutter and it didn't do much. The cutoff wheel works pretty good. It's a little thinner than the 16-inch. But there we go. Now I'm already ready to do modifications. So we're going to put triangle gussets in here, one on either side, and then cut notches out every couple of inches so that when we have these in here, they kind of lock into place and they don't wiggle out when you're driving around. Now earlier I picked up this half of the side-by-side. I picked up the driver's side up off the ground with it, and it worked fine for that. And you could change the wheels nice and easily that way. And this will be very helpful when the greenhouse build comes around and we need to bring pallets of stuff over there. Hence these pallets, even though these will all have to be hand stacked, unstacked, and restacked again. So I'll show you guys another project we're working on, because the forklift project is basically done. Like I said, there's some modifications that I want to do, but nothing major. Now what's going on back here? Is that a hole in the ground? What's all that stuff? So we've got our sewer lines all plumbed in and glued together and plumbed into the septic system. So we got 4-inch septic coming out to a reducer to 3-inch, and the 3-inch goes down to 2-inch. So the kitchen sink's going to be right there. This is going to be for the shower drain. That's going to be for the toilet. That's going to be the vent and the drain for the vanity. The vanity's going to go here. And we're going to have a washing machine right here. There's the drain for the washing machine, and it has a P-trap. You just can't see it, it's buried underground. And then the dryer and the water heater will go over here. The water heater is going to go here somewhere. So we have a 1-inch line coming in that's going to come from the pump house. That 1-inch line goes to 3/4-inch line, and that 3/4-inch line goes to 1/2-inch line. So we don't lose water pressure if someone's taking a shower and somebody goes to wash dishes, like we do in the camper, which is just is what it is. And then we have a gas line going in. So we're going to have the water heater is going to be, we can either use gas or a 240 volt system, and then same with the range. The range is going to be, it'll be flexible, so for some reason we got one or the other and we can't get one or something like that, we can use either one. So it'll work either way. So today's Sunday. Tomorrow we're getting 14 tons of AB mix, gonna drop it off right there, and 4 pallets of 80-pound bags of concrete. And sometime next week we're gonna start mixing the concrete and pouring a pad in here. And the pad's gonna come up to the bottom of the shipping container, the second lip here, and it's gonna cover this I-beam here, so we won't have to worry about settling or anything like that. Hi baby.
Hi.
And then same with over here. And then next, after that will be for we need to design the roof and then get this thing framed in. And what I think we're gonna do is have a pitched roof and water collection on it. And yeah, that's what we got so far. So if you have any questions or comments, pop those in down below. Hit that like button, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and as always, keep building and try to be good to each other. Some of us aren't here for very long, and a little bit of kindness will go a long ways. So God bless you all, and peace. Oh, we're doing a 4-inch thick slab, if anybody's wondering. That's the plan, 4-inch.